Hi, my name's Steve, my business partner Austin, and today we're going to be talking about website hosting and using it as a recurring service so you're getting money in every month, and why some agencies don't do this more, which we don't understand. But if you do any websites, you create the website for the customer, I would always suggest using your hosting to to continue on with recurring income. I mean, why would you not? And it's one of the easiest ways to make extra money, and it's really no extra cost to you. I'm sure you're paying for a hosting right now that you can do unlimited with, or and when I say unlimited, they say that, and we all know it's not actually unlimited. But you can add, many, many, many domains to it before it's going to be a problem. So you can add anywhere from $100 to $300 per client by doing this, which is obviously huge. Why do clients need this? Well, most small businesses don't even know what hosting is. And when you tell them that, you'll take care of it, you'll update the plugins, you'll renew domains, you'll back up the site regularly, you'll keep hackers away, anything that breaks on the site, anything that gets hacked, you'll pick up the cost on that and fix it. And if they want someone to call when something goes wrong, then they have somebody to do that. That's worth a lot to people. Right now, if they're trying to like run their own thing on Squarespace and something goes wrong, they don't know what to do. No matter what site it is, Wix, if they're running a WordPress, something goes wrong and they're kind of stuck. They don't know where to turn. Now they do have a place to turn. They call you and you've got to take care of it. And what do you do if they do call you? Well, you turn around and tell your hosting company that, this and this and this isn't working right, and hopefully their people can fix it if you don't know how to fix it. But so what should you include in your package? Hosting obviously is one that's going to be for all of them. You can use any number of hosts out there. I'll give a recommendation. If you want to reach out to me, there's a hosting company I like that doesn't charge very much and they do an excellent job. Um, Daily backups or weekly backups you can pick. Plugin and theme updates, which is a regular type of thing. If you have a WordPress, that they're constantly updating those. Uptime monitoring, so anytime the website's not up, you'll try to get on that and get that squared away as fast as you can. Security of the website, locking it up. Word Fence, I've used that before. It's pretty good. There's a few others out there. I think there's an all-in-one from WordPress. I forget what that's called, but I think they do pretty good. So there's a number of them you could use for that, and you can get them for free. SSL certificate, you can tell them you'll keep that, and that makes sure that they're secure. Probably your host gives you that for free. Every website you add on there, you probably get that SSL certificate for free, but if you don't, you do need those. We'll give a monthly report showing what was done and if there was any issues and what you did with that. And you can even give support hours. So you can tell them that if they need anything, you know, and set hours, you can tell them if you want to, you work 24 hours if that's what you want to do. But, you just got to make sure you got that set and make it clear to them. So how do you price that? You can do a basic at 97. It's hosting, backups, updates, and sorry about that. Uptime monitoring. Uptime monitoring. Boy, I'm not speaking too great today. You can go a standard plan with 197, and I would include a monthly report with that, along with everything else, as well as probably dedicating, if maybe at least an hour per month. If they need to help on something, you'll help them with that. And then for 297, I'll give everything that we talked about before, and I'll probably give them 3 hours of time and priority support. So if they call, I'm going to jump on that right away, and that means something to people. So your actual hosting cost is probably going to be the same. If you're in a reseller account, you're probably paying the same no matter what. You just add them in. It's no more cost to you. So you're just banking this extra. 10 clients, and let's say that middle package 197 gets you almost 2,000 extra dollars a month. So is that worth it? It sure is worth it to me. My voice is starting to go again. As you guys know, I haven't been feeling that great lately. I'm going to turn this over to Austin.
So here's some tools how to run this efficiently. Use manage WP or main WP for WordPress, which manage is all client sites from one dashboard, automates the updates and backups. Again, for WordPress, Cloudways or WP Engine, which is a reliable managed WordPress hosting you can resell. There's Uptime Robot, which is free uptime monitoring with email and SMS alerts. WordFence or Securi, which is security scanning and firewall. And then you can just use Google Docs for a simple monthly report template for a client. How to sell it? Offer it at the end of every website project as the natural next step. Frame it as protection, not an upsell. So, like, I can hand you the keys, or I can keep maintaining it so you never have to worry about it. Bundle it with your GBP or SEO retainer for higher combined package, and offer the first month free when signing a 6-month commitment. If you ever have 3 website clients and you're not charging for maintenance, you're leaving $300 to $900 a month on the table every single month. So set up your package this week and start offering it. That's it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.